Welcome to the vlog. So Journey has her appointment, but since we're early birds now, we're gonna run into Big Lots before her appointment. Her appointment's just across the way, so.
Mom, guess what?
Umbrellas. Welcome fall. Look at that, Sterling.
Mom, come here. Guess what we found? Spider webs. And that thing's talking.
Aww. What's he doing?
Let's go say it's
What time is it? They were $25 when we bought it. How much are you? Now they're $26.99.
Georgie! Pennywise! Can you get one? Doesn't he Mom, look at him. Look, the prize There's a disco party in there.
Are they cheaper than Walmart? Nope.
Can we go look at these others?
Oh, look at that guy down there.
That was fun. I've never seen that one. Gene Simmons potato head. Yeah.
All right, you ready to go to your appointment?
What? They just tore the roof off down here.
Why they walk so fast? My knee hurts. Sneeze. Come on. Do we want some Honey Crisp? I do not think so. Ambrosia, those are good. I like Pink Ladies. Pink Ladies are good. We're gonna make a pie. What is your favorite apple to make pies with? I kind of like mine a little bit tart, so I do like Pink Ladies. But Fuji apples are good too. When we make a pie out of that, they didn't have pork loin yesterday, so we had to come back and get it today. So, all right, I'm going to be making pulled pork sandwiches for dinner. Anyway, you need a pork loin, and so this is the one we got. It's 3 pounds, and then you need ketchup.
I'm gonna help you.
Spicy brown mustard. brown sugar, couldn't think of, apple cider vinegar, and the W sauce.
And some.
So I ended up adding a little more ketchup, brown sugar, pepper, salt, vinegar. So I think, in Worcestershire sauce to the top. I keep hearing something. It sounds like something's like dropping, like a marble on the ground. I don't know what's directly above me. Sterling's bedroom is. So her bedroom's right here. Anyway, so I added some more to the top because I just felt like there wasn't enough sauce, even though the recipe didn't call for that. But also the recipe, so I'll try to remember to leave a link down below. The recipe is like, which I've made this mixture before in making, like when I did the chicken and stuff, I would add ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, and Worcestershire and mix it up. I never added the spicy mustard, and I always used pepper and, you know, whatever. So anyway, we're gonna have barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. The only reason I said something about doing, you know, instead of, because we always do chicken pulled pork sandwiches. Pulled pork, Lord have mercy, Pamela. We always do pulled chicken sandwich, barbecue sandwiches, and I decided to do a pork loin because my husband really has been liking the pork loins I've been making lately. So that's in the crock pot. We're gonna have coleslaw, and I picked up a can of beans, and then we got chips. So, and I'm also going to make a apple pie. So I need to look up, I know how to make a basic apple pie, but I want to look up to see if there's any, like, you know, different, because my apple pie basically consists of the cinnamon, the sugar, the flour, is it flour or cornstarch, butter and apples, and then bake it. And I use whatever pie shells. This time I got the pre-made Pillsbury pie shells, so that's what we're gonna do for dessert. What I made yesterday was delicious. Anyway, I need to get to work and get some of these orders done, and then I'll have to go up around 5 to make sure I get the pie in the oven in time. We eat around 6:30, so.
Is he good or is he wicked? Oh, very good, but very mysterious. He lives in the Emerald City, and that's a long journey from here.
ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.